Hello guys, in this video we will see what is Battlefield's crashing on startup and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
SIP will understand Battlefield's crashing on startup. Content Battlefield crashing on startup refers to the game failing to launch successfully often, resulting in a brief black screen, a game window appearing, and immediately closing or an error message before returning to the desktop. This issue typically stems from conflicts with system drivers, corrupted game files, insufficient system resources, third-party software interferences, or specific in-game settings not compatible with the current hardware or software environment. Identifying the exact manifestation of the crash is crucial for targeted troubleshooting.
Step update graphics, drivers, and verified game files. Content outdated or corrupted graphics. Drivers are a primary cause of startup crashes. Ensure your NVIDIA and/or Intel graphics drivers are updated to the latest stable version directly from the manufacturer's website, often performing a clean installation. Concurrently, use your game launcher Up Origin, Steam, Epic Games Store to verify the integrity of Battlefield's game files. This process scans for and repairs any corrupted or missing files that could be preventing the game from initializing correctly, acting as a crucial first diagnostic and repair step.
SIP, a check for software conflicts and system resources. Content third-party applications, especially overlays. The Discord overlay, DeForce, Experience overlay, antivirus, software or background processes can interfere with Battlefield's launch. Try temporarily disabling such applications or performing a clean boot of Windows to isolate conflicts. Furthermore, ensure your system meets the game's minimum requirements and that no other demanding applications are consuming excessive RAM or resources, which could starve Battlefields of the necessary power to start. SIP, adjust in-game settings and reinstall Battlefield content if you can briefly access game menace or suspect. Graphics settings are the culprit tree. Launching Battlefield in a safe mode or with command line arguments that force lower graphics settings. This can sometimes be achieved by editing configuration files outside the game or through launcher options. If the problem persists after other troubleshooting, a complete uninstallation and fresh reinstallation of Battlefield can resolve deeply embedded file corruptions or improper installation paths that verification tools might miss. SIP, review system logs and contact support. Content for persistent crashes. Examining Windows, even viewer can provide specific error codes or messages under Windows logs, application or system that pinpoint the exact component failing. Document any critical errors related to Battlefields. If all previous steps fail, gather your system specifications, the error logs, and a detailed description of the troubleshooting steps you've taken, and then contact support. Providing them with comprehensive information will significantly aid in diagnosing and resolving the issue.